Right, this is foot technique on the bass pedal. There are two ways that you might approach playing the bass, generally speaking. As a beginner, most people instinctively play heel down. So we're not coming away at the back of our foot, so the heel is staying down and this is flapping. We try and keep with the pedal rather than ka-splat, but might happen a little bit. It's okay. Flapping at the back. Now this is good for playing quietly, quiet styles of music. The other way, which is a little trickier to get your head around at first, but some people prefer to learn it this way to start with because it gives you more power. We play it like this, heel up, so there's a gap that appears at the back. We're bouncing with the front part of our foot in contact with the pedal, and yes, that gives you more power, but it is a little trickier to learn because it depends on you lifting your leg up from the knee at the right moment. It's a less forgiving way of playing than this way, but at some point, if you care, you're going to have to transition to this anyway, so it's up to you if you want to put a little bit of extra effort in to learn heel up first or wait till later, because this will come instinctively anyway. Heel down, flappy foot, heel up, pressure here, bounce, heel up. Two options. Power, quieter. Once we play a bass hit, whether it's this type or this type, we try and keep the beater, our stick, so it stays in the head of the bass drum. Oof. Heel up way. If I do it with the heel flappy foot, see how the beater is still kept against the head of the bass skin. This prevents us having an achy foot on the top here of these muscles. If we're holding our foot up like that, this way, or if we're hovering like this, that is going to be very achy on the front of our legs as well. So keep that beater stuck to the skin of the bass drum, no matter how you're playing. That way. A note about the heel up way, you want to be relaxing down at the end of it. If you keep playing like this, like you've got a high heel underneath your heel, that could get achy and it's going to be a little trickier to go forward and do double hits like this in the future, which you will ideally want to progress towards. If we're resting down at the end, nice and relaxed, first of all we feel relaxed, and it also means we can do little motions like this. So get in the habit of getting relaxed. We don't want to be more tense than necessary. The fewer muscles that are activated at any time will be for the best.